So here we have this Weaver 24-inch rolling magnet sweeper. Now full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so right out of the box, there's a couple pieces that need to be assembled, and that was pretty simple. Really all I had to do was attach the wheels and then attach the handle. Alright, and there we go, that was a pretty easy assembly. All this thing is basically just an aluminum box with wheels, and then inside the aluminum box is a long magnet with this handle attached to it. Then there's this handle here we're going to use to push it. It's about 4 foot long, and it can also be retracted if we unscrew this and push that in like that. Now it's about 2 foot long, and then on the end of the handle is this nice ergonomic comfortable grip. I'm going to go test it outside in just a second, but it rolls around on this floor just fine. It also super easily picked up a small pile of bolts, and the magnet's actually supposed to be strong enough that it can pick up to 50 pounds of metal. Anyway, it was also pretty easy just to pull this handle, and that lets go of all the bolts. Works really well. I will point out that the handle isn't completely tight to this connector plate here. It's not like it's going to fall apart, it's just a little bit loose. Anyway though, I took it outside and tested it out on some gravel. The big wheels let it easily roll around on this as well. Then I tossed some screws and nails on the ground, kind of buried some in the gravel. Then I rolled the magnet around a few times to try and pick them up, and it picked up quite a few, so I used the rake to see if there were any left. And after raking around for a bit and using the sweeper a second time, I didn't see any more, so it must have collected them all the first time. So yeah, I'd say it worked really well, and I'm definitely happy to finally have one of these things.